Hi guys, so today we're finally doing some outside playtime in the snow and I thought I'd share with all you guys.
Movies.
Oh, where are you going?
I make one. Ouch.
You're making a snowman, Yuri?
Yeah. Can you help me, Mom?
Mommy doesn't own snow gloves anymore. How about I kick a bunch of snow to you?
Good.
All of the snow. And Gideon's just making it snow.
It's gonna be the biggest snowman in the entire universe.
It's snowing, buddy? I know, you guys having fun?
Wrist is getting cold. Snow is fun, Mommy. Come and play in the snow with us, Mommy.
Alright.
Hey, Mom.
Hey. Ah. Oh.
Come back here.
Hey!
Ow!
Ah! You okay, buddy? Ha! Ha! Ha ha ha!
Get me!
Ah!
You won't get me! I can...
Ah! So now we're finally back inside and I am making some hot chocolate because that is what we do on cold days. We usually make our hot chocolate over the stove depending on what kind we make. I've been buying a lot of just the Swiss Miss or Ghirardelli hot chocolate mix. It's a lot easier and it tastes really good, but we've been drinking the Abuelita hot chocolate. It's the kind that I grew up drinking. My parents used to make this all the time on the weekends in the morning, and they started making it for Yuri and Gideon, and now that's pretty much all they will drink.
Mom, that's up though.
Up, down?
Up though. Thank you, that's.
No, no climbing. Oh, this, you want your vitamins? Yeah, they like it's like Trolls Complete Multivitamin Gummies.
I need a gummy.
You want your gummy for the day?
Gummies.
Gummies. Color. That one? No, just one. You eat it. Is that good? Mm-hmm. Okay, hot chocolate's ready.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You want to give this one to Sissy? Thank you. Good boy. You're such a good helper, Gideon. Sister, your hot chocolate is ready.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Gideon's bringing it to you.
Thank you, buddy.
Is it yummy, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi.
How's your hot chocolate?
Good.
Good.
Hot chocolate.
You have hot chocolate. Yours is right here. Apparently, I don't know how to make the right amount because the first time it only filled up to their cups about this much. So I had to make some more after they finished it after about 2 minutes. And now they're eating their grilled cheese and some strawberries and carrots. What are you doing, silly boy? No, 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 no. Alright, it's nap time. It's nap time, so I'm gonna put them down. I'm gonna get something to eat and then relax. It's Mama's time to relax. It's Mama's time to relax. Oh, you think that's funny, huh? Okay, out of your mouth. That's not safe. You done? Here's your Milky. And blanket. Cars blanket. And your Pooh Bear blanket. Mwah. Good night. Oh, you want that one too? Your baby blanket? He got this one when he was born from Yuri and from his auntie Yvette. Oh, good job, buddy. I love you.
Here, kitty.
Oh, another stuffed animal. Thanks, Yuri.
You're welcome.
And no, there's nothing else I need you to clean up right now.
Okay.
Alright, so now that the kids are asleep, I'm going to make myself a quick lunch. This is what I'm making. I'm just going to get some baby spinach, some mixed baby greens, cucumber, and then I'm going to put in an egg or two with some Cowgirl Ranch dressing, and then probably just a little bit of croutons, and that's pretty much it. My chamomile tea. This is when I usually drink green tea, but I've been really tired lately, and yeah, I just kind of felt like relaxing, so chamomile tea it is. Hi, Yuri.
Hi.
You cleaned up your room?
And I also have an egg timer for nap time.
Very nice. Are you going to set your timer?
Uh-huh.
I like how you set up all your Shopkins all lined up like that.
Uh-huh. And this girl with the chocolate on top learned how to go, muchas gracias.
And I like how you set up your stuffed animals. You did a very good job making your bed and everything.
And look it over there.
What?
See my bed, my picture frame in my picture?
I do. You put them up.
And look at my books over there.
Mm-hmm. Very good job. High five. Yeah. I'm gonna tuck you in.
Thanks,
Try to with one
Mom.
hand. You're welcome. I love you.
I love you too.
Mwah. Alright, that's it for this vlog. Thanks guys for watching, and we will catch you guys on our next
Goodbye,
video.
Anna. And Elsa's.
All you Annas and Elsas, yeah? Alright, see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye!